Ever had an idea so good you were sure it would make millions? A little spark in the middle of the night. A flash of brilliance in the shower. We have all been there. But how do you know if that brilliant idea is actually, well, brilliant? How do you take it from a thought bubble to a real business people love? Good. You came to the right place. This short guide is your new best friend. It is here to help you navigate the first steps so your big idea can go the distance. This is your roadmap to success. We are going to cover the essentials. Forget the boring business school textbooks. We are breaking it down into simple, actionable chunks. First, evaluate a business opportunity. Then, opportunity, creativity, and innovation. After that, market research like a pro. Finally, define your perfect market. Let's get to it. The journey begins now. Before you mortgage your house or quit your day job, you need to check your business idea. Give it a good hard look. It helps you avoid massive, expensive, soul-crushing mistakes. It is the guardrail that keeps your dream on the road. Ask 3 fundamentals. 1. Is there genuine, verifiable demand? 2. Who is your competition? Sleeping giants or easy targets? 3. Can this business actually make money? Look at the numbers. You do not need a complex model, just a simple forecast. Estimate cost to build, market, and sell. Project realistic sales and price. This separates dreamers from doers. It saves precious time and money. Check the weather before you set sail. Build a solid foundation. 3 words: opportunity, creativity, innovation. They are simple at heart. Opportunity, a chance to solve a problem. A gap between what is and what is wanted. Creativity, new or better ideas that connect the dots. Innovation, turning ideas into products people use and pay for. Become a professional people watcher. Great opportunities hide in common frustrations. Make time for free thinking. Test small versions fast. Example, Google encouraged a 20% time culture. Engineers could spend 1 day a week on passion projects. That spirit helped spark Gmail, Google News, and AdSense. The results were spectacular, fueling growth and innovation. Foster creativity to stay ahead and drive long-term success. Step 3. Become a market detective. Your idea passed the sniff test and you feel creative. Now do market research. Learn about customers, competitors, and the market you will enter. Gather clues to learn what people actually want. It improves product decisions, your pricing, and your marketing. Replace assumptions with facts. Follow a simple 6-step mission. 1. Define the problem. 2. Choose your approach, surveys, interviews, or existing data. 3. Design unbiased questions. 4. Collect data by talking to real people. 5. Process into simple charts. 6. Analyze and report what matters. Now, define your target market, your tribe most likely to buy. Clarify who they are so you build the right product for the right people. Section 5. Step 4. Find your people. Split the population into smaller pieces. Market segmentation. Geographic, place matters. City, country, climate, even zip code. Snowboards sell in cold regions, not tropical islands. Demographic, stats like age, gender, income, job, education. Luxury cars target high-income buyers. Psychographic, inner drivers, values, lifestyle, hobbies, personality. Eco-brands speak to sustainability values. Behavioral, how people act, buying habits, loyalty, usage, site actions. Think coffee shop loyalty cards. Case 1. Nike targets athletes and sports lovers, selling performance and the push to achieve your best. Case 2. Apple focuses on tech-savvy creatives, simple, elegant, integrated products, and a loyal ecosystem. Case 3. Airbnb serves travelers seeking authentic local experiences via a platform of unique homes. Recap. 1. Evaluate demand, competition, and money. 2. Build a culture of creativity and innovation. 3. Run clear, simple market research. 4. Define your target market with precision. Now, it is your turn to act. Pick one idea, spend an hour, ask 10 people,